to come to ZBOM Malaysia. My name is Jeffrey Liu. ZBOM Malaysia have been in Malaysia for more than 2 to 3 years time. Thank you to lots of our friends coming here today and lots of people who support us. We have lots of my partners in helping us here. Especially want to say thank you to my mom. Thank you, 谢谢你，谢谢妈妈。Thank you for her support. We hope by moving forward this time we will be able to make great things happen. ZBOM Malaysia welcome you. We thank you for coming today.